Hey everyone, it's Natalie again, and I'm just catching up from our last video we did with Hatching Time on our Pro24 Tabletop Incubator. We have 24 eggs inside of it, and we did a video with the unboxing and setting it up and showed you guys how to get everything ready for your eggs. And we are about 11 to 12 days into it, and we candled our eggs, and all 24 are showing life, which is amazing. It's great. So I'm going to show you the candling video, how that's all going, and how exciting it is to see life inside of your eggs. So if you've never done this before, candling can be really exciting. It's a great activity to do with your children, and watching everything go, it's probably the most fun thing about hatching. So I love this time of year, and here we go. Here's our candling.
All right, we are at day 11 on our eggs in the Hatchingtime Tabletop Incubator that we have. And we're going to go through and candle some eggs and see which ones are developing, see the veins, and hopefully some embryos. Here we go. That one's developing nicely. All right, this one has incredible development. Very excited to see that. Incredibly dark up here. This one's doing very good. Another very developed egg. You can barely see anything but development on the inside of that. If you look here, you can see the veins. Another one. So far, every single egg that we have candled has had development like this. Some of them are a little further along than others, but these last few ones have incredible development. As you can see on that one, you can see the veins clearly in that one. Very happy. Oh, it moved. You can see that egg moving, or the embryo moving around inside. It's probably saying, it's bright, turn the light off. Super happy. Every single egg has development, and our roosters and hens have done a fantastic job. So very, very excited to have this Pro24 Hatchingtime Tabletop Incubator. Every single egg that we candled has development, so really excited to see if all 24 of these eggs are going to hatch and produce us chicks. Then we got to see what kind of chicks we're going to get, whether it's roosters or Americanas or whatever the mix is going to be. We got a lot in here, so looks like we're going to have 24 baby chicks in 9 more days.
Thistle and Rose Farm.